Hello kids, welcome back. In last video we started our chapter 11 in the orchard. So in this video we will continue with this chapter. Now in last video we saw that Ratan went to village with her grandfather. So one morning she went orchard with his grandfather. Of grains and pulses and tall trees also. So now in today's video we will discuss about uses of flowers. So let's start. Uses of flowers as a food. So do you know we can use flowers as a food also. We can make gulkan from rose petals. And here this is banana flowers. So we can use banana flowers also as a vegetable. As a medicine, so we can use flowers as a medicine also. We can use rose water for our face for glowing skin. So here this is a pictures that show us that we can use flowers as a medicine. To make color. So from palash flower, from gulmohar and from rose flowers we can make colors also. So in Holi Dhuleti occasions we can use the water, coloring water made from these flowers. So yes, we can use flowers to make color also. In songs, so in movies, in songs, in serials, you can see so many flower garden. In different movies we can see different flower gardens. So flowers everywhere in the garden, in my head. So we can use flowers everywhere. In many Hindi use flower garden, so that we can see in songs also flowers can be used for decoration. So in weddings, in occasions, in religious purposes, there are so many flower decorations we can see. And here we can use rose flower, mogra, marigold, star flower for decoration. For puja, so for worship also we can use flowers. So here we can see pictures. So many religious purposes we can use flowers. In Ganesh Chaturthi, in Mahashivratri, in churches we saw many flowers for worship. For perfume, so yes, we can make perfumes from the flowers. And it's because why? Because of flowers has very good scent. Some flowers have sweet scent, so we can use that flower for making perfumes also. Now do you know in what forms do florists sell their flowers? So florists make garland for worship, religious ceremonies and hair adornments for ladies from various flowers. So here are the pictures. So florists sell flowers in these forms. So now Ratan was walking ahead in the orchard. She saw some persons were cleaning grass in one corner of the field. She went there and started pulling the grass. So do you know why this man is pulling the grass? Because it's unnecessary grass in the field. So now Ratan went there and she also started pulling the grass. But do you know what happened? Her soft hands become red because of pulling of grass. And while pulling grass, many roots also came out. So from these we can see that every plant has roots, and the main function of roots is to give support to the plant. So every plant has roots. After that, Ratan saw that Ramji Bhai was pulling radish. Ratan asked Ramji Bhai. So he told, Beta, these are radish and it is also roots. So here we can see Ramji Bhai is pulling with storm. However, the trees were stood still. So here Ratan thought that however the trees were stood still. That means why the tree did not fall despite of heavy winds. So imagine, root supports a tree to stand firmly on the ground. Thus, roots of the tree is very deep in the soil and it help to tree to stand firmly on the ground. That's why the tree did not fall despite of heavy winds. Now Ratan come to know that she had not given water to the neem tree which was grown near her house. She thought how the neem will get water then. So here Ratan thought that she had not given water to the neem tree. So how the neem tree will get water? So the answer is trees like neem tree, peepal tree do not need to be watered regularly. This is because big trees have roots that go deep into the soil from where they get water. So no need to water regularly. Now look at these pictures of vegetables given below and find out from these pictures which ones are roots from them. So here are the pictures of vegetables. In all these pictures, some vegetables are roots, some vegetables are stem and some vegetables are form of leaves. So from these pictures we have to find out which ones are root. So here this is beetroot. Yes, so this is a root. Now from these pictures radish. Yes, radish is a root. And last one carrot is a root. So in next video we will continue with the rest of the chapter.